Welcome to the installation guide for your brand new 4-pack of skate for Soundboks 3 and 4. Thanks for choosing the Ska Store Custom Shop to help upgrade and personalize your gear, adding protection, durability, and a clean finished look that's uniquely yours. Inside your box, you'll find 4 skates and 4 extended screws for installation. In addition to what's inside the box, you'll also need an appropriately sized hex bit. Skate is able to stack 2 or more Soundboks horizontally or vertically, and since the installation isn't permanent, you can switch between these as you wish. After picking your orientation, start by removing one of the top screws holding the silicone protection ball in place. Add your skate with the thinner section facing outward and the pegs slotting into the hole in the ball. Then, replace the original screw with one of the included extended screws. Repeat this 4 times on each side and you're ready to go. Place your second Soundboks on top so that its protection balls nest within the top part of the 4 skates. Again, this process is entirely reversible, so if you decide you want to change orientation later, you're free to do so. Thanks for watching the installation guide for your new 4-pack of skate for Soundboks 3 and 4. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or reach out to support@ska.com. We're always happy to help.